HSG Laser was established in 2006, focused on the field of laser intelligent equipment manufacturing. It upholds the product development concept of efficient, intelligent, environmentally friendly and compatible, and is committed to providing laser intelligent equipment solutions for users worldwide. Since its establishment in 2006, HSG Laser has developed rapidly after years of hard work and sweat. The company entered the brand new sheet metal manufacturing field in 2012, and fiber laser manufacturing equipment became our flagship product. Fully automatic fiber laser pipes cutting machine HS-TS65, supporting car seat production line, integrating laser cutting, bending, welding and cleaning, will help customers achieve flexible planning, production tracking and quality control. While improving the utilization rate of equipment, it will reduce the product failure rate and manufacturing cost, shorten the delivery cycle, and realize intelligent and digital production. 10 kW class high-power fiber laser cutting machine HSG4020H. The increase in power brought the first change of sheet metal cutting thickness. The 10 kW class laser cutting machine can cut aluminum alloy plate up to 50 mm thick and stainless steel plate up to 30 mm thick. With the successive launch of 12 kW and 15 kW fiber laser cutting machines, the thickness limit of material cutting will continue to be broken. With the country's supply-side reform and the national economy transforming and upgrading, the company's development has entered a fast track. The company has 4 standardized intelligent equipment manufacturing bases with a total area of over 40,000 square meters. And it has realized flexible manufacturing and digital classification management in areas such as laser robots, multi-axis linkage professional pipe cutting, and precision welding and intelligent automatic production lines. In the field of pipe cutting automation, as well as in the laser plate cutting and plate and pipe combination cutting, the company has a leading competitiveness in the country. HSG Laser's intelligent equipment has been operating in more than 100 countries and regions in the world. It has a wide range of benchmarking customers in the fields of precision machinery, auto parts, kitchen hardware, electronic and electrical appliances, and smart home appliances. The professional and independent core R&D team and the well-established after-sale technical support department truly provide a customer-centered, service-oriented experience. In 2017, the company invested more than CNY 30 million in R&D, and the company will continue to increase investment in laser plate cutting, pipe cutting, welding, and automated production lines. In the future, as the leader in laser intelligent equipment, HSG Laser will focus on providing key technical support and targeted personalized system solutions for the Industry 4.0 and future factories, helping enterprises to implement smart manufacturing on the ground, allowing smart manufacturing to change their work, and making smart manufacturing at your fingertips to develop more diversified products and applications to serve a wider range of areas. HSG Laser stimulates the light of intelligent manufacturing.